Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore website speed using PageSpeed Insights easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the PageSpeed Insights website. Enter your website URL in the provided input field. Click the Analyze button to start the speed test. Wait for the results to load, which may take a few seconds. Once the results appear, review the overall performance score. Note the scores for both mobile and desktop versions of your site. Scroll down to see a detailed breakdown of performance metrics. Identify the top suggestions for improving speed. Focus on areas such as optimizing images, leveraging browser caching, and minimizing JavaScript. To optimize images, consider using formats like WebP or compressing files with tools like TinyPNG. For browser caching, adjust the server settings to specify cache expiration times. Minimize JavaScript by removing unused code and defer loading of non-essential scripts. Make sure to implement lazy loading for images and videos to improve initial load times. After applying these changes, go back to the PageSpeed Insights tool. Re-enter your website URL and click Analyze again. Compare the new performance score with the previous one. Continue to make adjustments as necessary based on the feedback provided. Regularly monitor your website speed to ensure optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.